Good afternoon, children. This is the third problem from Heron's formula. Okay. Here in third problem, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with a colored paper. Find the total area of the paper used. Okay. So Radha made an aeroplane. So this is what the Radha made an aeroplane, and it is made by paper. How much paper she has utilized? About that we have to find out. That is area of the paper used. Okay. Now here you can see the geometrical pictures here. Here ABC is a triangle. Okay. And DBE another triangle. CFG. These two we can see these two are equal triangles, and rectangle she has used, that is BCQP. Okay. And then another geometrical figure, that is PQRS. It is a trapezium. Okay. And it is, since see here you can see 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. We can say this is isosceles trapezium. Okay. And you must know the areas of these pictures. Okay. You all know what is area of triangle. Okay. And then what is area of rectangle, and what is the area of trapezium. Okay. And using that we have to calculate. Now first let us see first part, and we have divided this as what? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now first part, what is there? First part here, ABC is a triangle. And here, since AB is equals to AC, therefore this is what? 5 centimeter. AB equal to AC, and that is 5 centimeter. And you can observe here PQ is 1 centimeter. So therefore BC is also 1 centimeter. Okay, BC is also 1 centimeter. Now we can use, since we have here 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 1 centimeter, and we do not have here height. Okay, since we don't have height here, so therefore we can go for area of triangle. We can go for Heron's formula. Okay. Now let us see ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. And then here AB is equals to AC is equals to 5 centimeter, and BC is equals to 1 centimeter. And to find through Heron's formula, we have to find out perimeter. Okay. What is perimeter? What is perimeter? A plus B plus C. That is 5 plus 1. That is equal to, how much you get here? 11 centimeter. Okay. 11 centimeter. Then next we have to find out semi-perimeter. Okay. Semi-perimeter means half of perimeter. Okay, half of perimeter P by 2, that is equal to 11 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10. Again, 2 5s are 10. That is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So semi-perimeter we got, and we know A, B, C. All the sides we know. So now let us use the formula. That is Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? Area of triangle ABC. This is first part. Okay, first part we are doing. ABC is equals to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C square units. Square units. Now let us see what is S. 5.5 into 5.5 minus A. A is 5. Then S is again 5.5 into 5.5 minus another 5. Okay. Then S is 5.5 minus C is 1. This is square root again 0.5. 5.5 minus 1 is 4. Now next step here, 5.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So now let us multiply 0.5 into 0.5. What you get here? 5.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. You will get 0. Let's see, 5 is 25. Then after 0.11, so that is 0.255. Okay. Then into 4.5. 4.5. So next, what we can do here? 0.25 square root of 0.25. What you can write? 25. That is 25. What is the square root of 25? 5. So 0.5. Can we write 0.5? Yes, ma'am. And what if you get, if you write this one, 5.5 into 4.5? Next, 0.25 can be written as 0.5 square root of 5.5 into 4.5. Multiply this 5.5 into 4.5. Multiply what we get here, 5.5 into 4.5. 5 is 25 to 5 is 25 to 27. Then 4 5 is 22. 4 5 is 22. So 5, 7, 4, 2. After point 1 digit, here 1 digit totally 2. So 24.75. 24.75. Okay. So now 0.5 into 24.75. See, this one 24.75 is not a square number. Okay. So now what we have to do for this? We have to go for division method. So that is division method 24.75. So here decimal place is, I think, 0, that is this 0 0. Okay, after decimal place we need 2 digits. Okay, so now let us take this one. See, 2 digits we have to take. For 24, what is the nearest square number? 4 4 is 16. 4 is 16. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. You cannot take because 24 is there here. Okay, that is 4 4 is 16. You take 16. What you get here? 14. Correct? 14 minus 6 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Now let us take this 75. Okay. Now next to this one here, 4. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. Okay. Now which digit? What digit you have to take here to get nearest to this 875? 875. Which one we can take here? 8 2 into 2, 2 is 4, 8 is 16. When this number 1 is there, so 3 digits here also 3 digits, but 1 and 8 is so much difference. So let us 9 is okay. 9, see, you can take your 9. Okay, 9 nines are 81. 8 nines is 72 plus 8 is 801. If we okay, 9 is the last number. Okay, 9. Here we have taken here 2 digits. Before itself we have here decimal place. So let us write here decimal place point, and then 89. 9 is how much? 801. 5 minus 1 4 7 0. Now here how much we have to add? 9. Okay, add 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1, then 9. Okay. Next, your 74 we have to take this one. Correct? For next decimal place. Now, how much we need? 74. That is 7,400. 0 is not considered. Okay, 7,400. Nearly we must get to 7,400. In that way, we have to choose one digit here. What is that digit? 1, no, 1 is very less number. 7. Again 9. 9 is 81. 81. 7. 9, 8, 7. Let us try 7. 7 7 49, 4. 7 8 56. 16, 6. Then next 7 9 63. 69. Very nice number. 69. 9 is 81. We will get 8 there. So 8. 7 only. Because 8 if you take it, you are getting, then it will become more. Okay. 7. 7 now. Then what we got here? 69. 0 9. Okay. This see 2 decimal places we got, not necessary to subtract. We got to. So let us stop here. Now the answer is what? 4.97. 4.97. 4.97. Okay. So if you multiply, how much you get here? 0.5 into 4.97. Multiply. That is 4.97 into 0.5. Multiply. 5 7s are 35, 3. 5 9s are 45, 48, 4. 5 4s are 20, 24. After point, here 2 digits. Here after point 1, 23, 1, 2, 3. 2.485. Yes. 2.485. 485. Okay, 85 square centimeter. That is centimeter square. This is what? This is first part. Okay. Yes. This is first part. Now second part. What is the shape of the second part? Tell me. What is the shape of the second part? Rectangle. Okay. BC, PQ, QP. BC, QP is a rectangle. What is the formula for rectangle? What is the formula for rectangle? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay. What is length? How much is the length? See the breadth? 6.5. Okay. Length is 6.5 and breadth is how much? 1 centimeter. So 6.5 into 1, that is equal to 6.5. You multiply, how much you get? 6.5. So centimeter square. Now we got the second part. Now let us move to third part. Let us move to third. That is PQRS, isosceles trapezium. Okay. In isosceles trapezium, okay, PQRS is an isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. So let us draw here. Yes. Okay. Now, you must know before itself area of a trapezium. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half into height into sum of the parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides. This plus this. PQ plus SR. Parallel sides. These two are non-parallel sides. Okay. So that is, let us write A plus B. Okay. But here just observe. PQ is how much? 1 centimeter. This is 2 2 centimeter. This is how much? 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Okay. Here this is 2 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. But do we have your height? No. So how to find height? So what we have done? Let us draw QR parallel to PV. QR parallel to PV. Okay. So draw QR parallel to PV. Okay. Add this in your class. Okay. QR parallel to PV. Then next, let us draw here PI perpendicular to SR. Complete this one. Okay. PI perpendicular to E. PI perpendicular to RSR. Draw PI perpendicular to RS. Okay. PI perpendicular to RS. Now, see here, I said QR parallel to PV. Then it is also equal. SR now, QR is equal to PV. Then what is the measure of this? 1 centimeter. Understanding? This is what? This is H. Height. Okay. Now, this is one set. This since these two are parallel, then PQ also will become parallel. Then equal also. Then this will become 1 centimeter. Okay. Out of 2 centimeter, SR, RS. Understand carefully. Okay. SR is equal to total length is what? 2 centimeter. 1 centimeter already got. And then this is what actually? This is 1 centimeter. From that is SV. Then what about SI and IV? How much is this? 0.5 and this is also 0.5. Okay. Now next is, now we got this one. So height we have to find out. How to find out height? This is perpendicular line. Yes or no? Seems in a triangle. Let us take PIV. What type of triangle this is? Right angle triangle. So since it is right angle triangle, we can apply what? Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So now in triangle PIV, okay, or else triangle PIV is what? Right angle. Right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, P V right, PV square is equals to PI square plus IV square. So PV square 1 square is equal to PI square H square plus IV square 0.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square. Now 1 square is 1 is equal to H square plus 0.5 whole square. How much you get? 0.25. Okay. Now let us take 1 minus this 0.5. Let us take this. Okay. Before equal, that is 0.25 is equal to H square. 1 minus 0.25. If you subtract, how much you get? 0.75 is equal to H square. Okay. Now 0.75 is equals to H square. H is equals to what? What is H? Square root of 0.75. Okay. Now in the division method, we have to find out 0.75. What is the answer for division in division method? In division method, I think I got 0. This is 0.866. Please try all of you to do this. Okay. 0.86. X is equal to 0.86 centimeter. Okay. Now this is H we got. Now let us apply area of the trapezium. into h into a plus b. Okay, what is half into h is how much? H is about 0.86 into a plus b. A plus b, a is h, sorry 1 plus b is 2. Okay, now half into 0.86 into how much is this? 3. Okay, now 2 ones are 2 0 as it is 2 4s are 2 3s are. Now 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 1 that is 1.29 48 centimeter square. Okay, this is what? Which is this third part. Okay, third part. Now let us move to fourth part. Which is fourth part? Part DBE. And this fourth part and fifth part both are same. Okay, now area. This is fourth and fifth. Okay, fourth and fifth. Area of triangle DBE plus is equals to area of triangle CFG is equal to what? You can use here, since see you can observe here, listen all of you. This is what type of triangle? Right angle triangle. So here we have height. Why? Since DB is perpendicular, here CF is perpendicular. So since we have perpendicular is nothing but height. Okay, so therefore DBC, area of triangle DBE and area of triangle CFG is equals to, we can use the universal formula, that is nothing but what means in all like these many classes from the beginning you have used formula. What is that formula? Half into base into height. Okay, that is equal to half into base is how much? How much is the base? Base 1.5 cm. 1.5 into height is how much? Height is 6 cm. Okay, now 2 ones are 2 3s are. Okay, 6 3 5s are 15 1 3 ones are 21 4 4.5 centimeter square. Okay, 4.5 centimeter. This is fourth and fifth part. Now let us find out what is the paper, that is the area of the paper used by Radha. Okay, area of the paper used by Radha. By Radha is equals to first plus second plus third plus fourth plus fifth. First how much? Tell me. 2.485 plus second 6.5 plus third 1.29 plus fourth 4.5 plus 4.5. Okay, 4.5. First and see 2.485 plus 6.5 1.29 4.5 4.5 is equals to what you get here? 2 zeros 5. So what you get? 5 here 17 1 then 10 20 22 1 then 22 correct 22 6 7 8 9 10 11 15 plus 4 19 correct 19.275. So 19.275 centimeters square. So this much area of the paper used by Radha.